So in this Webull tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to deposit money into your account on the Webull Canada application. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Webull application. Once that is done, I want you to go to the bottom and press on the deposit tab. So located between watch list and markets, press on deposit. Once you're on the deposit screen, I want you to go to where it says sort of in this top bar right here, you have assets, orders, transfers, history, and documents. I want you to press on transfers right in the middle. Once you're on the transfer screen, pretty self-explanatory, press on deposit right below. It'll then redirect you to select which currency you want to deposit in. So if you're in Canada, perhaps it's Canadian, or if you're in the United States, perhaps it's United States currency. So for this demonstration, I'll just go ahead and press on Canadian dollars, but it works the exact same way. Three different methods you can select: an EFT method, an e-transfer method, or domestic wire method. Obviously, the estimated processing time is a couple different days, and the fees are presented as well. So for this demonstration, I'll just go ahead and press on e-transfer for simplicity purposes. Once you're here, to simply go and connect to your bank account. So, if you're BMO, Scotia, RBC, TD, a National Bank, or CIBC, or show more. So for this demonstration, how about I select on TD? Once you're here, just make sure you guys exit out of this, or you can actually accept and continue to keep going. You can press on continue as well. Go through the bank settings with your thing. Go to TD or whatever your bank is, personal account, business account, sign in, and you can deposit money into your account throughout this way. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to deposit money into your account on the Webull Canada application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.